What if I think there's a lot size calculation issue or mismatch? Well, I can say that 99 out of 100 cases when people think the trade copier miscalculated the lot size on the client account, they did not understand how the calculation works. It could be a misunderstanding with the settings, different leverage between master and client account, or different deposit currency on the master and client accounts. Yeah, we discussed previous in this video these matters. Yeah, but usually people don't get that deep. Yeah, there's not many people can watch half an hour or longer presentation to understand everything. Yeah, so I understand this. I get it. So to make it easy to understand what I mean in this in this answer, let's just take two examples. So example one, master account balance is 1,000 euros. Client account balance is 1,099 euros. Master lot size is 5 microlots. And the client size is 5 microlots as well. It will copy the trade at client microlots. 5 microlots. So I'm assuming this happens in the AA money management mode to just auto adjust to account size. Yeah. In the second example, we have the same master account balance of 1,000 euros, but the client account balance is 1,100, which is only €1 bigger than in the first example. Yeah. But it makes all the difference because now the 5 microlot master lot size becomes 6 microlots on the client account. And you can see in both examples I have the formula written exactly what happens. So in the first example, we divide client account balance by the master account balance to get the ratio, and then we multiply it by 5 microlots, and in result we have 5 microlots, the same. Yeah. On the example number 2, we have client lot size of 1,100, divide that by 1,000 euros. Yeah, we get the ratio of 1.1 and multiply it by 5 microlots, and this in return gets us 6 microlots. So the difference in account size between example 1 and example 2 is just 1 lazy euro, but the lot size is different. That's just how math works. No big deal. Yeah, but just know when your clients will keep asking you, or you get stumble upon these situations and get freaked out what's happening. Usually people get frustrated when they see these things when they're trading in these micro lots, and keep using strategies like grid and keep doubling lot sizes and stuff like that. Yeah, so it's very crucial to have these lot sizes like the same or something. Yeah, so just keep an eye. It's just pure math. Yeah, that's just how it works.